Maglilibot kami ulit. At syempre, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung saan kami pupunta. So, magtutour sa amin ngayon for today ay si Tita Babes. Ayan. So, pupunta na kami ngayon sa metro nila or tawag nila is U? Basta, letter U kasi yun. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag sa kanila. Pero metro siya. Train station. Okay, let's go!
Today, we are going to Schönbrunn Palace in Vienna. It's a beautiful palace with lots of windows and golden decorations. The palace was once home to kings and queens. Outside, there's a huge garden with flowers, trees, and fountains.
So, ito daw yung bahay ni Princess Sisi.
Mga finger dito.
Sure kung ito si Princess Sisi, pero and merong nakakatakot dito. We're going inside the palace. At tumarang na naman kung si Roy always. Ito si Princess Sisi. And pirma niya. Yan siya. Dito ako ngayon sa mga gift shop. Ito, ayan siya. Ito yung portrait niya. Ayan siya. Yo. Yung mga pin. And may mga magnets. Ito ang kanyang palace ni Princess Sisi. Sisi! Idea kayo kung sino si Princess Sisi. Ayan. Ito ang kanyang palasyo. Ito lang ata yung palasyo na nakita ko na walang tore-tore. Flat lang. Pero malawak syempre. Ayan. Saan kaya si Ruth? Diba? Liligaw na naman ako. Lapit tayo dito sa palace. That's so cool! Kabayo. Cute diba? Sinauna. Nandito na kami sa itaas. And ito yung makikita nyo sa paligid. Ayan. So, kung tumayo si Princess Sisi dito sa gitna, ganito makikita nyo. Pinatawag ko kayong lahat. Ayan, kumakaway na siya. Ayan. So, dito sa siguro tumatayo kasi ito yung gitna. May naghahalikan dito.
Ha?
Guys, meron din pa-hardin si Princess Sisi. So, sobrang laki pala talaga ng palasyo niya.
It felt like walking in a fairy tale place. We also walked up a hill to see the Gloriette. It's a fancy building on top with a great view of the whole palace and garden. It was a little bit tiring to walk, but the view was amazing. Then, we saw the garden maze. It looked like a puzzle made of tall green bushes.
Isa to sa mga garden ni Princess Sisi. Sabi nila, puno-puno daw to ng flowers. Pagka summer, spring. Ngayon kasi nga ay fall, kaya wala masyadong flowers. So ngayon nandito naman kami sa likuran ng palasyo. Grabe, ang ganda pala dito. Kasi sa harap, parang walang dating, di ba? Pero pagka pinasok mo talaga yung palace, sobrang laki pala. Ang laki. laki.
The Gloriette is a beautiful building on a hill behind the Schönbrunn Palace. It looks like a fancy castle with big columns and windows. You can walk up the hill and see amazing views of the garden in the city. Long ago, it was built for the royal family to relax and enjoy the view.
Grabe, sobrang laki na nitong palasyo. Siguro kung ako prinsesa dito, yung mga tropa ko tawagin ko dito ko napatirahin. Tapos kapag laro kami, taguan kami dito. Bigla ko naman kung mahanap pa nila ako. Sige, mga 1 month. Ang kitaan.
You can ride a carriage like how the royal did long ago. It feels like going back in time, just like in a fairy tale.
Oh. So imagine, ganito kalaki yung magiging bahay mo. Kasi hindi lang ito yun na makikita nyo. May mga singit-singit pa na padiretso papunta doon. Like ito, padiretso papunta doon. So ngayon, aakyat kami ngayon. Doon sa tuktok. Ayan. Kaya kung napapansin nyo yung mga tao, pag-zigzag-zigzag. Kasi yung daan, papunta dun sa taas. Is pag-zigzag-zigzag.
So we went up the hill to see the Gloriette. It's very big, pretty building with big arcs and columns. From the top, you can see all of the Schönbrunn Palace and the city. The view was amazing. It felt like we were on top of the world. There's even a small cafe inside where people relax and enjoy the view. We felt happy and proud when we reached the top. Birds singing and the wind was so cool. It's a perfect place to rest, take pictures, and feel like a prince or princess. Walking up the Gloriette felt like we were going on a big adventure. As we got higher, the views got better and better. When we reached the top, it felt like magical, like we're in a fairy tale.
So ito yung itsura niya sa taas. Worth it siya, guys, kasi maganda yung view. And experience, of course. So ito yung 360. Again. Yung maglabing-labing dyan. Nakakita ako ng puno ng kastanyas. Ganyan pala yung itsura nun, kastanyas. Kasi na, yung bunga. Ayan, ito siya. Ayan, itsura pala ng kastanyas. Kasi nung nabasa, nung nalaglag, ito siya, oh. Diba kastanyas to? Kastanyas to eh. Ito, kastanyas.
Next, we went to Volksgarten. It's a pretty garden in Vienna with lots of colorful flowers. There were pink and red roses everywhere, and it smelled really nice. We saw big statues and a beautiful white buildings in the middle. It was so peaceful, just a nice place to walk and relax. Next, we walked to a big open place called Heldenplatz. It means Hero Square. So cool, right? There were huge statues of people on horses and really big buildings around us. The place felt super grand, like something from a storybook. We loved running around and looking at everything. It was so big and beautiful. So after Heldenplatz, we walked to Maria Theresienplatz. So in the middle, there's a big statue of Queen Maria Theresa riding a horse. There are two buildings that look the same on both sides. One is a museum. The garden is so nice with flowers, trees, and cute paths on walk on. It's a fun and relaxing place to take pictures and enjoy the view. Maria Theresienplatz is not just pretty, it's also full of history. Empress Maria Theresa was a powerful and smart ruler, and this whole square honors her. The big museum on both sides holds treasure from all over the world. Dinosaurs, paintings, old coins, and even ancient mummies. The buildings are very detailed with statues, arcs, and golden decorations. You can spend a long time just looking at the outside.
Taki!
Kamu dito lang?
Dito ba kakagatin ko?
Yung iba ganyan yung pet. Maliit lang.
Cute!
Pwede mong i-video.
Ang laki!
Now, my favorite part. We ate at a yummy place called Water to Win World Kitchen. Thank you, Ate Jessie, for the tasty treat. There was so much food from all around the world, like sushi, pasta, and even ice cream. We walked around and picked anything we liked.
So, kakain kami ngayon sa Water to Win. Kasama namin si Tito June, si Tita Babes, and si Ate Jessie. Napakaganda naman dito. Napakalaki. Buffet ito na restaurant. So, magandang kumain dito.
The next day, it was time to say goodbye. We packed our bags and headed to the airport, carrying all the memories from this amazing trip. It was a mix of happiness and a little sadness. Happy for all the places we visited, and a bit sad that it's ending. But we're excited for the next adventure. Tito June kindly drove us to the airport. Thank you, Tito June.
Sa arrival kami. And ang aming pabaon ni Tita Bebe.
We were so grateful to have a family around, helping us all the way to the very end of our journey.
So, today, hinatid kami ni Tito June and ni Ate Jessie.
With full hearts and happy memories, we said goodbye to Vienna and made our way home.
So, ganito ang airport ng Vienna, Austria. Nice. Ooh.
Even though we were sad to leave, our hearts were full of joy and unforgettable experience. This trip reminded us how important family is and how magical it feels to explore the world together.
Nandito ang check-in counters. Ayan. Pwedeng kasama yung family. Unlike sa ibang airports, hanggang labas ka lang. Dito pwede. So, nandito na po kami sa check-in area. So, isa sa maganda na nakapag-web check-in na is konti lang ang pila. Ayan, wala kami kasunod. Pero dun sa kabila is mahaba ang pila kasi nga dito sila nag-check-in through online. So, better tuwing sakay kayo ng airplane, mag-online check-in na kayo para sa pila, iiwan nyo na lang tong bags nyo. Okay? Pero hindi kami business. Okay, bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye. So, we're done. Everything's clear. We're going to our boarding gate. Austria Airport. So we're going to Gate G. May maingay dito sa airport. Pero at least mas okay siya kaysa sa Philippines. And then, ang aming boarding gate is G71 and nasa G09 pa lang kami. Imagine. Lalakarin namin yun. Eh, sabi din sa amin ng officer dun sa may check-in counter, 25 minutes daw ang walk papunta dun. Exercise, guys! Exercise na naman! Diba, hindi pa kami natatapos sa aming paglalakad. Sa aming pamasyal. So, ayan. Layers! So, ayan. Nandito na kami sa aming boarding gate. G71. And, parang maliit lang yung mga gates nila dito. Tapos, magkakatabi. So, I think maliliit na airplane lang yung gagamitin. Kasi, maliliit lang din yung waiting area. I mean, konti yung mga upuan sa waiting area. We're inside the plane now. Tapos na kami. Sobrang lambot. Pwede lang sa mga tagal. So, nasa window seat ulit ako. So, ito yung view ko for now. Ito yung pipindutin kapag gusto mong paliwanagan yung window. Wala na siyang yung kino-cover na gano'n. Ayan. So, eventually, magliliwanag siya. Ayan. So, as you can see, hindi na siya color blue. Alright. So, ang biyahe namin is 4 hours and 26 minutes. Ayan. From Vienna to Doha. Hi everyone! So we are back in Doha, Qatar. Ayan. Si Bear. Dadaanan ulit namin si Bear bago pumunta sa baggage. Pero hindi na kami pupunta doon. Nakikita lang namin siya. So ayun. Maybe this is the end of my vlog in our Europe trip. So, sana nakatulong yung iba kong mga videos or sana nakatulong yung mga videos ko sa pagpunta nyo sa Europe. Alright, so see you guys next time. Back to reality. Work, work, work.